Hello, Steve Nugent here again with another training video on FrontierAgAndTurf.com. Today I want to talk a little bit about page layouts with your 2630 or 2600 Greenstar display. It's an issue that can be kind of confusing to our customers, and we can have various layouts for various operations. So what we're going to focus on today is laying out your screen for planting. Now, if you'll see here, what you're used to when you get into a new screen is a blank page like this. This is, to get here, we hit our main menu button and go into Layout Manager to start. And up here it's going to tell us which page we are configuring. I always like to have my page 1 be my main Greenstar page. Those of you that have heard me on the phone, I always say go to page 1, go to page 1. Well, how do we create the Greenstar page on page 1? It's going to be this configuration here where we have the entire screen one option. As you'll see, these other options have top, bottom, right, top, bottom left, bottom right, right hand sliver, many different types of configurations. When we click on the configuration we want, it's going to bring this up and we can touch in the big red area, and it's going to tell us what things are plugged into our display that we have options to choose from. So for my big red area, I just want to see what my Greenstar menu options have available to me. When I click on Greenstar, it only has one option and it brings up my main Greenstar page. So if I click accept on that, now page 1 is my main Greenstar page. I only have one page, so I can hit the house button as much as I want. It's just going to stay there. But let's make a page 2 to have some planter information on there. I'll hit main menu, go back to Layout Manager. Page 1 is still configured and it's still here. I'm going to go to page 2. For page 2, I'm going to use configuration F. So if I click on this, it brings up that exact depiction on the main page here. I'm going to click on the big red area and it's going to show me what I can put in that area. I want planter, so I click planter. And again here there's only one page of options for the planter, so I'm going to click on that, and now my planter is in the main block. What I like to have over here then is a little menu of client farm field so that we can change that on the page that the planter is on. Click on that right spot, click on the Greenstar function, and now here you'll see we have 22 page of options to put in that little right hand sliver. Again, it always shows you up here what you're selecting for. If we page through, we can find a couple different options. Page 3 is a nice little mini map. Page 4 is the one I like to put in. We have client, farm, field, and guidance mode. So if I click on that, it's going to put it in that page. I hit accept, and now my page 2 is filled in with John Deere planter, client, farm, field. So page 1, page 2, page 1, page 2. Now if I wanted to make a third page, I like to use configuration G, where we have a top half, bottom half, and a right hand sliver of information. Now this is where it kind of all comes together. If I hit the top half, I see here I still have options of what I can look at in there. I want to select the Greenstar, and I have 13 different options for things to view in this top half page configuration. If I scroll through, I find that page 3 here says guidance off, but is kind of a big map. That's what I'm going to want to have in the top half. Down in the bottom, I want to have planter. Again, I only have one page of options, so I'm going to put the planter there. And on the right hand side, again, I want to put that same client farm field list off of my Greenstar menu options. And just like that, now we have page 1, page 2, page 3. Page 1, page 2, page 3. And so on and so forth. Now these configurations can be made any way you really want them to be set up for planting, spraying, harvesting. And the tricky part is remembering how to set that all up from year to year, because we may want to change those certain page layouts for each season. Hopefully this has been a little bit of a help, and you can always give us a call at the store and we can walk you through some of these steps as well. Thank you.